We are pleased to show you the 2018 C-Class. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.